morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices eased as investors booked profits after prices hit a near two-week high in the previous session, while the market's focus shifted to US President Donald Trump's upcoming Federal Reserve nominations. Wall Street gained, boosted by a string of largely upbeat corporate earnings, while rising expectations of a Federal Reserve interest rate cut provided additional support. Odds for next month's rate cut stand at 93.2%. Transactions on the Ethereum network have reached a one-year high as the US SEC issues new guidance on staking. This comes amid historical highs in Ether staked on the network, as over 36 million Ether is now staked on Ethereum, representing nearly 30% of the total token supply.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.